Primy is one of the world's leading manufacturers of high-quality stainless steel kitchen sinks and faucets, and provides you with the right combination of design, function, and quality. With Primy, installation is easy, taking just a few minutes without requiring the assistance of a plumber. The faucet has a pull-down sprayer with nylon hose and a single lever for hot and cold mixing. Our faucet is built with high-quality solid stainless steel 304, completely lead-free. Available in a range of PVD vibrant colors such as rose gold, champagne gold, matte black, and stainless steel. The pull-down spray with stream mode and the faucet's 360-degree swivel easily meet all of your cleaning and food preparation needs. With their unique designs and premium brush finishes, a Primy faucet would be a highlight of your kitchen. Choose a style that best suits you. Primy, a beautiful home starts here.